Fortune, good luck is on its way. Bells are ringing. May this Christmas brings happiness in your life. Let's celebrate this event together to get closer to your friends and family. Hello, I'm your cake expert, Sarah, and you're watching RFAQK. We are here to level up your cake. Today we're going to make a Christmas tree cake. So without taking more time, let's move to our recipe. First of all, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Prepare 2 round 7-inch cake pans and grease the sides with the oil. Place parchment paper circles in the bottom and sides. Take 2 cups of butter, 1½ cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Combine 2 cups of flour, baking powder in a medium-sized bowl. And whisk through until combined well. And set aside. Take a large bowl. Add butter and beat until it's creamy in texture. Scrape the sides with the help of spatula. And then add sugar. And beat together for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's fluffy and light in color. Remember, do not skim on the creaming time. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing until mostly combined after each. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed to be sure all ingredients are well incorporated. Add vanilla essence and beat again. Add the dry ingredients in 3 steps. Slowly add the milk and mix until well combined. Add the remaining dry ingredients and mix until well combined and smooth. Now scrape down the sides of the bowl. Note that do not overmix the batter. Divide the batter evenly between the cake pans and tap well. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Turn on the stove, place the pan and then add 1 cup of Isomalt. Mix until it melts, add 1 drop of blue gel color and wait until color changes. Pour in the shapes according to your choice. Sprinkle coconut on it. Remember, you must sprinkle the coconut on the melted Isomalt. Let it cool down completely and then remove the cutter when it's dry. Take a stick and dip it in the hot Isomalt and then paste it on the back. Remove the cakes from the oven until a toothpick comes out clean. Then allow it to cool down for 2 to 3 minutes. Now remove the pan and the parchment paper. Now adjust RFAQK's cake leveler to remove the dome from the top of the cakes so that they're flat. Now bring RFAQK's turntable with the cake board on it. Place the first layer and spread buttercream evenly. Add the second layer of cake and soak it with milk and another layer of buttercream. Top the cake with remaining layers. And frost the outside of the cake with the help of a RFAQK scraper. Now it's time for the final coating. Add gradient effects on the cake with shades of blue buttercream. Now place the coated cake in the refrigerator for a few minutes. Now we're using RFAQK's tip number 12CS for the Christmas tree. Place the golden star on the top of the tree. Now it's time for the decorations.